With Thanksgiving just about done and no elaborate fanfare or drama, it's time now to indulge in a rich raspberry and vodka laced chocolate cake. Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon as we get to creating it. This cake is really simple and still has the goodness of a no dairy, no gluten version. So into a bowl goes in about a cup full of cane sugar or jaggery powder. On an average, keep it at about 200 grams because you want it to be perfect but not overly sweet. Into that goes 1 cup of extra virgin olive oil or about 250 mils. Lightly mix the two together and into that goes about half a teaspoon of sea salt crystals just to give it that perfect saltiness. Chocolate and salt works really well, and as you allow this to mix up, now's the time to take 6 egg yolks and drop them in one at a time just so that it mixes up and emulsifies. Eyeballing in some vanilla extract, just about a teaspoon of it. And now in goes about 250 grams of melted dark bitter chocolate, nearly 80% bitter going in. You just need this to emulsify really well together. Into this now goes about 200 grams of frozen raspberries with the liquid as well. You want that tart, beautiful raspberry liqueur to scent it as well. So just put all that juices in and just emulsify it. What's anything raspberry without a splurge of some vodka? So 1/3 cup of vodka going in. You can totally omit this stage and just add some orange juice instead. And lastly, bringing this together, in goes about 1 cup of pressed almond flour or about 250 grams. Just put that in and allow it all to come together really well. As you see this getting together in a nice fudgy brown consistency, it's time now to just keep this on the side and get to lightening the cake batter with some egg whites. So the 6 egg whites, nicely chilled, go into a clean glass bowl, and all you're going to do is some muscle grease to work its way through, forming a perfect meringue. Perfect snowy whites and soft peak stage is achieved. All we're going to do now is put this into that and just slightly fold it in. Divide the foamy whites into 2 parts so that it's easy to fold in without losing a lot of the air that has been trapped within. So part 1 in, and we're just going to lightly fold this into that chocolatey dense goodness. Into a parchment lined 8-inch spring foam mold this goes in. Since this doesn't have any baking powder, you do not want to lose any last bit of that air trapped in. So immediately it goes into a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius for just about 45 minutes. The center has to just about set. 45 minutes and this gorgeous creation is ready. Just allow this to rest for 15 minutes before unwinding the spring foam and dusting this gorgeous creation. 15 minutes up and we're just going to release this and the grand unveiling of a perfectly decadent creation. The kiss of vodka and the slight tart sense of raspberry make this a fantastic cake to enjoy with the family. I hope you enjoyed creating this one with me. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button. Stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to leave a note below.